let's going to continue with our measurement unit in maths. We were looking at some, not number lines, they are scales. Well, no, we were looking at some scales and we were trying to work out, just by saying two numbers, what is the meaning of each line? What number is each line without needing to write in it? We were learning that, weren't we? Let's going to do a quick recap. For example, if I say that this one is 0 and this one is 10, count in your head and see what do you think that this scale is counting in, okay? Have a go. That's right, you think that is counting. You count in ones. Yeah, you can say, oh, because there is too many lines. Yeah, but you don't know. You know now because I gave you the last number. But if I don't give you this number, you don't know what it will be, will you? If it's counting in ones. Because if I put here 20, then maybe it's not counting in ones. Okay, so you need to count. So let's see, you're getting really good at this. Let's see, what number is there? Have a good count. Seven. What number is there? Count. 2, that's right. Well done. So we saw scales that you can count in ones and then you know straight away what is the meaning of each line. Now sometimes what they do, they just show you the middle number. And they show you there are 5, so you see actually that there is 4, 5, and another 4, and 10. So you will know that easily, you will know that you cannot count in twos. Okay, but if not, you know, you have just shown me now, wait before it falls, right, you have shown me now that you can count, you can work out what is each line, but counting in ones. The other type of scale that we saw yesterday is the one that we count in, let's see, have a good count in your head. Is it in ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, in twos. Let's see. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so if I point in the arrow to this line, what is going to be? 2, 4, 6, 8. If I point with the arrow to this one, well done, 4. Okay, now, we also learned, do we always start with 0 and 10? No, not always, is it? Let's going to have another example. Same line, same scales, but not always we start on the number 10, or we start on the number 0 and we go up to 10. We can go to any number. Let's see if we start, for example, with 14, and I am counting in ones. Please count in your head and see, or in your head, or count it loud if you want, because we cannot hear you, so no one is going to copy you. 14, let's see where I will land if I am counting in ones. Get ready. 14, 15, 24. Brilliant. So, what number will be there? If I'm counting in ones, 17. What number will be there if I'm counting in ones? 21. Well done. Now, counting in twos, it doesn't need again to start in 0 and ends in 10. Let's going to do another one again. Let's going to copy the 14. If I'm counting in twos, where I will land, have a good think. 24. What number then is there? Count. 14, we're counting in twos. 16. 20, that's right. 22 and 24, well done. So that is the scales that we were learning yesterday for measurement. We were learning how to read a scale that is counting in ones, and we read a scale that was counting in twos. Okay, let's see a new one. I think that you're ready. Let's going to learn a new one. Have a look to see what you notice. Try to do the same size. Okay. A little bit smaller. It's not bad. Okay. And this one. Right. If I start on 0 and ends on 20, and there as well, I'm going to start in 0 and I'm going to end in 20. Have a look. What do you think that I'm counting in? Am I counting in ones? No, of course I'm not. I know, in twos. Not in twos. What am I counting on in this one? That's it. We are counting in fives. Yeah? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Well done. So, what about this one? Am I in ones? No. In fives? 5? No. Just 0, 2, 20. What am I counting on? I'm counting, that's right, I'm counting in tens. Is it 0, 10, 20? Yes, I am. Well done, you. So, if I'm counting in fives there, what is the number of this line? 0, 5, 10. If I'm counting in tens, what is the number there? 0, 10. Well done. Okay, let's going to do it more difficult. So, again, we need to count to see if counting in twos goes to the last number, counting in ones if I land on my last number correctly. Okay, and then you will find out if it's counting in twos, in ones, in fives, or in tens. Today we are going to be focusing on counting in tens and in fives. So let's going to do a quick practice. I'm going to show you this line. And I'm going to have the same amount of lines there. And I'm going to prove you that not always because you have less lines means that I'm going to be counting in tens, because I can land in whatever number I want. Okay, so let's see. If I do, let's see. Okay, right, my first one. If I have the number I start on 20 and I end on 50. What am I counting in? Am I counting in fives or in tens? Have a go. Whatever you think that is fives, count now in fives. If you think that is 10, count in tens. Get ready? 20. I think that I missed one line. In less than minutes. Ah! Another one I deleted. Yes, okay, wait. Wait, I don't want to delete the video. I got it wrong. And I was talking yesterday with Ruby, and then she says she gets frustrated when she gets things wrong. And I said, you know what? I do videos and I have to stop myself and then just post it and delete it because I get it wrong as well. And we just learn from mistakes. That's it. Sorry. Oh, wow. Wait a moment. Okay. Phew. Now, let's see. So let's do it again. If I start on number 20 and I end on the number 50, do you think that I'm counting in fives or in tens? Let's see. If you think that is fives, count in fives. If you think that is tens, count in tens. Get ready. Fives or tens? In fives. That's right. 20. 25. 30. 35. 40. 45. 50. Well done. What about now? I confused you when I got it wrong, didn't I? Sorry. What about now if I do, I know. Am I counting in fives or in tens? Okay. Count in whatever you think that I'm counting and see if it's right. Counting in? I am counting in tens this time. Let's do it. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Well done. What about if I put am I counting in tens, in fives? Okay, let's see. 10, I am counting in tens. So what number will be there if I'm counting in tens? 10. That's right. You are really good. 40. Well done. What number will be there if I'm counting in tens? Yes. 60. Well done. Okay. And my last one, and I send you to do your work. Last one. I'm going to put the number and I'm going to land on. Okay, am I counting in tens or am I counting in fives? Right, have a go. In fives. Well done. So what number, if I'm counting in fives, what number will be there? 40, 45. What number will be there? 40, 45, 55. Oh, wow. What number will be there, the last one? 40, 45, 55, 65. Amazing. Next time I'm going to ask you to do it so you don't get it wrong, not like me. Okay, so that's going to be your work today. Yesterday we did counting in ones, scales in ones, scales in twos, and today scales in fives and in tens, okay? Same as yesterday, the same work but in fives and in tens. Now, before I finish, if I have normally 0 and 100, where will be the 50? Right in the middle, isn't it? Because it's just a half. So that will be my 50 on the scale. But I want you to have a think, because that is in one of the questions. Have a think. And probably you can actually look at this one there. Have a good look. That's my half there. That's my half there. Because 50 is the half of 0 and 100, does that mean that 50 is always in the middle? Always? Have a good think, because that's one of your questions, okay? Right, I cannot tell you more. Go for doing your work and have a good go at it. Adios!